morning vlog. I hope your day is off to a great start. It is actually Saturday here for me. It is 10:45 in the morning, and you know, I usually really don't vlog on weekends. Of course, last weekend I did because we were moving, but I thought that it would be fun to do a sort of like weekend themed vlog where I show you a little bit of our weekend, since I don't typically do that. So my plan for this Saturday, it's 10:45 right now. I was in bed until about 10 and then got up and did a little bit of cleaning, and that's sort of my plan for the morning, just like tidying up, helping more things find a place where they're meant to be, because there's still a ton of stuff that just like don't have a place yet. And then my really big goal for the day is actually going to be to finish or continue setting up my closet. I don't know if I'll really finish because I think I might need some more stuff, but we're gonna give it a try. It's actually a pretty rainy day here, which is super nice and a good excuse to just stay in and, you know, get a little work done around the house. So that'll be really nice. I spoke to Tara about potentially doing a little like FaceTime Catan tonight, or actually this afternoon, so that should be really fun too. I mean, it is gross out. It's very gray and cloudy out today. Yeah, I potentially would like to try to sort out some of this stuff here. Like, this is all craziness, clearly. We really don't have a place for these yet, so, you know, I just want to do what I can to try to tidy up some of this. Miss Molly? You such a good girl? Yeah. Don't mind the noise, it's our dishwasher. Oh yeah, that's hot. Okay, let that cool down for a second. I want to open up this package that I got. I didn't get a chance to open it yesterday, but it's something that I ordered for my closet. All right. Oh, this is funny. It has like little leaves on it. Whatever, it doesn't matter. So, what this is an expandable shelf that can fit into some of those cubbies in my closet. I'll show you if you don't know what I'm talking about, to like create more spaces in them. So I originally had one idea for this, now I have a whole other idea. We're gonna see how it goes. Apparently this is an Asian product, and looks like the directions are not in a language that I read, so that will be interesting to set up. Hopefully it's fairly intuitive. I'm already confused. This is gonna be interesting to try to figure out. But basically what this should do, this should be able to like expand and fit perfectly in there to create an extra shelf. So we'll see. It looks like there's actually a lot of pieces and parts and things to put together, which I was not expecting. And that's gonna help with the whole bedroom situation as well, because what I'm gonna be doing is taking my shirts out of my dresser and moving them into my closet, and then I'm going to be reorganizing my whole dresser as well, which it really needs, because, hi Molly, I guess when obviously the movers were moving it, they must have tilted it on its side, so all of my shit just like was totally not folded in the right place or anything like that. So we're gonna be just reorganizing that whole thing anyway. It sounds like a lot of work to do for a rainy day, but so it goes, right? Got my Molly mug here, which by the way is still for sale on my blog. If you're ever wondering, you're more than welcome to go check it out there. That is so hot. Okay, we're gonna give this shelf a go. We're gonna try to use these photos to help. It does look very confusing. I'm actually pretty annoyed that this is not intuitive. This goes in here, and then this gets screwed in here. We are figuring it out. So is that what locks that? Yes, seemingly. What is this thing? I don't know, who cares? This goes on this side here. Okay, I don't think that I need to do any more assembly. I think we just put it in now and see what happens. Okay, I have no idea if you're gonna be able to see what I'm doing, but I'm going to try. And basically I want the shelf to go in here above my jeans is the plan right now. This thing, I think, really might not work, unfortunately. Hey, Con, can you come here? I'm trying to get this.
To like be a shelf there?
Yeah, I mean, that's what it's made for.
Yeah.
But
weird angle.
It won't stay.
Huh.
Like, it won't actually.
Yeah, like lock. Here, want me to take a look?
Sure. I don't know. Do you want to give it a try? Let me try sliding inside the closet here so I can help you from that side.
Your hair looks very pretty today, babe.
Thank you.
All right, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Honestly, we just need something more like a suction thing on both sides.
I know, I assumed that it
That was gonna be that.
suction. Okay, so this is a piece of shit product.
Yeah.
All right, thanks for your help, babe.
Sorry.
Well, that shelf feels like it derailed my entire morning, and I spent an hour dealing with that, but I have a return scheduled. I wrote a review, my thoughts and feelings on it, and we're going to return to the closet in a second. I need a little break. Just being in that room gives me anxiety, honestly. I'm gonna work a little bit more in the bedroom here. We got a new extension cord so I can finish setting up sort of the TV area. What I'm thinking, although I don't have any of this now, so it will not be done right now, but I'm thinking about getting a basket to go under here. That way I can throw some extra pillows and stuff in there, and then for the rest of that I'm gonna get some of those, like, I don't know what they're called, but like the suction bags. Throw the pillows in there, throw them under the bed. I think that's the plan. Also, thank you for everyone's suggestions about putting the bed on that wall rather than on one of these window walls. It is a good idea, and I've taken it under consideration, although I'm not dealing with that right now. Connor and I are getting a new bed at some point. We are gonna upgrade to a king size, so really this whole room is sort of getting redone. It's fine for now where it is, as is. You know, eventually there's gonna be a rug put down in here, so everything's gonna have to get moved for that. So let's start by fixing up this TV area here. Okay, great. We got that. So I'm thinking this wire will get like tacked down to the wall there, and then when the basket's in here, it'll sort of hide some of this cord situation. So that's the idea. So I think part of the key of getting the rest of this room put together is dealing with my clothes in the closet situation. So that's what I'm gonna do. We have a lot of shirts in here, so I'm gonna start by going through these. I don't even know if I'm gonna keep all of this stuff. I haven't gone through these drawers, so I'm gonna go through that, and then I think this will stay like socks, underwear, bras, all of that, although as you can see it needs some reorganization. And then we'll have two drawers, which will be really nice because my like pajamas slash loungewear drawer, like having that all in one is not working. So I'm thinking we'll do like loungewear, leggings, stuff like that in this drawer, and then keep this more just pajama stuff. I also just realized, you guys, that this whole closet project, this is really not going my way. That is for sure. I feel like this is not even going to be successful right now, even with the shirt situation, because there's no way that I have enough hangers. Oh my god, you guys, I am such a mess. I cannot deal. I meant to order more, and then I wonder if I can get them like delivered same day from Amazon. Maybe like Amazon Now has some. Okay, I'm looking for hangers. Please tell me you can deliver me hangers today. No, they cannot. But you know what I'm gonna do? I'm still gonna go through my shirt drawer, clean out anything that I'm not going to be keeping, and maybe even pull the shorts out, throw them in the office so that they're there. Let me order hangers for delivery tomorrow. I decided that I'm gonna get risers for the closet rather than some sort of like tension shelf like that, because I learned a lesson. All right guys, let me give you an update for where we're at right now. So managed to get all of this really nicely organized. I switched some stuff around in here, which is great. Down here, this is all like leggings. These are workout leggings. Here, these are like tops and sports bras. And then this is just like a little set I have. So I just threw that there. And then down here, I have actual like pajama stuff. That is much better, much more organized, which is really nice. I have my makeup up here, my skincare, my little mirror. This is all the stuff I'm getting rid of, so that will all get donated. And then the update for over here, I ordered some of those like Ziploc vacuum bags that we're gonna put these pillows in. That will be here tomorrow. And then this is just some of Connor's stuff. This is Connor's suitcases. They're not gonna stay here, but we just need a place to get them out of the way for now. So just slid them under there. And the room is feeling much more put together now, which is really nice. So I'm about to make some lunch now. I think I've sort of wrapped up what I'm gonna do productively today. So the rest of this day can just be nice. Oh, look at that. We get some blue skies poking through. Molly Cat's out here watching all the birds fly by, which she is loving. Good girl. Yes. Got some blue skies over here. It looks like the rain clouds are moving away. So that's pretty nice. Look at that. So clear after that rain. By the way, you guys, I'm rocking my merch today. It is so comfortable just like hang out around the house and just get shit done. So you can have it linked down below. It launched on Monday if you missed that, so there you go. Anyway, let's go get some lunch now. I think I'm just gonna heat up some leftover Thai food that we have. Okay, post lunch, and we are playing Catan with Tara.
Are coming true today.
I know, it is so fun. I love it. Guys, this virtual Catan is so good. You guys have to try it. It's called Catan Universe, and it is 10-10. Works so well.
It's a real game. I can't even believe this.
I know. It's so fun. I love it. You're such a good kitty cat. Look at her.
So, still in PJs.
Right?
First PJ day at the new apartment.
Yeah. Love it. So we just got off FaceTime with Tara. It was actually such a fun time. We played for like 3 hours.
Yeah. Went by real quickly.
So fast, and each of us won once. So it also felt like wonderful satisfaction.
Right?
So anyway, while we were on with Tara, we took a couple shots, and Connor and I are going to continue on with the games because it's so early here. It's only 6 p.m. So we're gonna take a shot, put some shots on the line.
To you.
To you.
Oh, good.
Woo! Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh. Good morning, everyone, from another beautiful LA day. It's so nice and sunny out today after a rainy day yesterday, but the skies are like so perfectly clear. We should go check. Yep, clear as could be. So Connor's out on a little morning run. So we have a sort of fun day ahead, and my plan for the day here, I'm going to start watching an episode of Euphoria. I haven't seen either of the bonus episodes that came out now. So I guess I'm gonna be watching the Rue one today. So I'm gonna start my day with that. I'm just gonna watch it in bed, and then after that I want to work a little bit on editing a vlog, just because I don't have tomorrow's video ready to go yet. Not sure if I'll finish it, but then at noon, the Pack is playing. Oh man, it's gonna be such an intense game. Brady versus Rodgers. Oh my God, I really hope Aaron Rodgers pulls this out. He deserves it so much. Oh man, I'm stressed. Stakes are high, but we are gonna go over to Kate and Alex's to watch that. Anyway, my chai is ready. I can smell it. Oh, it smells so good. Little cat, ready for some Euphoria and snuggles? Yeah. Wow, that episode of Euphoria that I watched was so good, you guys. Spit some real truth. I mean, that show is incredible. So I'm just throwing on like a touch of makeup, barely anything at all, before heading over to Kate and Alex's. Alex is gonna come and pick us up. Where's my friend? My friend! Hi!
So excited.
So excited. Yes, come here, bring me Hedge. You got little Hedge? Yes, that looks so good. I'm going to die. This is going to be such a delight.
That is bubbly.
I can't believe you made this. Yes, seriously. It's gonna have to cool for like 20 minutes at least.
Look at that.
Da-da.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Look at this little
Look
print.
at that little face you guys. Have you seen anything so cute in your life? Oh my gosh.
You're just a sweetie, aren't you?
Perfect dog. Eyes on dad at all times.
Yeah. So what you doing over there, Bex?
Yeah. But it's so good.
Oh no.
Instantly buffalo chicken dip everywhere. Well, the football game did not go the way that we wanted. Becker has had his hood up ever since. Very upset. And
Shame.
yes. Anyway, now we're listening to this really intense music, as you can tell. And having a brat. We're back home now. We've had a very relaxing afternoon. We watched La La Land and just, it's very chill. A nice little time here. Now we are making dinner, which it's a dinner that I'm very excited for. Macaroni and cheese. We're gonna make these Annie's shells and white cheddar. It's gonna be very good. This mac and cheese is hitting the spot. Oh, it's so good. Honestly, it never disappoints. And we're just watching a little Schitt's Creek here to, I guess, end our night. It's already like 9:30, so. Approaching bedtime.
Oh.
I know. Sunday scaries are hitting.
Yeah, I don't really want.
I don't want Monday. It's so sad setting your alarm on a Sunday night. Well, just like that, we're here at bedtime. What an exciting Sunday it's been.
Right?
I can't believe what happened today. I can't believe the pack lost.
We do not speak one again.
That was tough. But, you know,
We ate well.
we
again,
live on.
So, successful Sunday.
Yes, we did eat very well today. I am very satisfied.
Me too.
But I hope you guys enjoyed this little weekend vlog, spending the weekend with us here. And I will see you in a minute.